So, ang sangkap natin kakailanganin ngayon is lettuce, isang buong mangga na ikakat natin into slices. Kailangan rin natin ng cucumber which is ikakat din natin into slices, hoisin sauce, table salt, black pepper, olive oil, and chicken breast. Ang chicken breast is marinated natin ng table salt, black pepper, and olive oil for 1 hour. So gagawa muna tayo ng ating dressing. Ang kailangan natin is small amount ng mango and 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Inimix lang natin po siya sa mangga. So after natin gumawa ng dressing, prituhin na natin ang manok. Sa pagprito ng manok, kailangan natin ng small amount of oil. Kailangan painitin natin siya para hindi dumikit yung manok na priprituhin natin. So isang tips na natutunan ko sa pagluluto is kailangan pala painitin mo yung pan pag ikaw ay nagprito para hindi dumikit kung ano ang lulutuin mo. So hintayin natin na maging super mainit yung pan para hindi dumikit yung manok. 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I've been waiting for a love like this so 기분 좋은 바람 불어와. So ayan guys, mainit na yung pan natin. Ilagay na natin ang chicken breast. Sa pagluto natin ng manok, kailangan natin ng malakas na apoy para maging golden brown yung ilalim niya. Yung tamang luto ng manok. So ayan guys, okay na siya. Ganyan lang natin siya hanggang sa maluto yung ilalim niya. Everything is so 서로가 마주하는 이곳 We've been waiting for a love like this My love, yeah, now Oh, no, no,
So guys, sa pagprito ng manok, malalaman mo na luto na siya pag nagkaroon siya ng juice sa ibabaw ng meat niya. So kung nakita nyo na may juice na siya sa ibabaw, it means pwede na nyo siyang baliktarin. So ito, mayroon na siyang konti. So hintayin natin na maging okay na. So guys, okay na yung chicken natin. Pwede na natin balik na rin. Ganyan dapat ang hitsura pag nabalikan na ang manok. Kaya kailangan natin ng malakas na apoy para maluto yung ilalim niya.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some
So
modestness.
guys,
I'm not here
malapit
to
na siyang
save the day.
maluto. Ganito ang hitsura niya pag lutong-luto na siya. So pwede na natin ilipat sa plato. So guys, juicy at malambot yung loob ng manok. So ilipat na natin siya sa plato. So ito na po guys, yung niluto natin na manok. So hihiwain na natin siya. So ito na po ang ating pritong manok. Enjoy eating guys. Thank you for watching. And please like and share. And please subscribe for more videos. God bless and keep safe to everyone.
Sorry, it's DJ.